Hey, Joe from 146, 2020 Gladiator. We put 20s. We did the doors. I put brand new leather with red piping. Put the fifth wheel in the back. I did bumpers. It's just cool. 3.5-inch lift. Rough country. Put the bumper with the winch, with the lights. Spent a ton of money on this. Just trying something different. This is a 2020, the 40,000 miles on it with leather. We spent like 15,000 on it. I got the second set of doors, you see them over there. It's got nav, got nice backup. This truck is $59,985. It's all ready to go. Sexy as shit. It's Joe from Route 146 Auto Sales, 1097 Dowling Highway, North Smithfield, Rhode Island. Thank you.